Hi guys, this is me Musa Khan from One Dream YouTube channel. Actually, I have searched a lot and this question is very common everywhere, that what is English? अंग्रेजी क्या है? So friends, in this video we are gonna study about English. What is English? Importance of English, types of English, etc. Let's start the video. Before moving on, take a piece of paper and one pen with yourself and write main points that will help you a lot. So let's begin. The first question is that what is English? So English, it is a language of England. अंग्रेजी एक जुबान है और अंग्रेजी इंग्लैंड की जुबान है. Now if you talk about the definition of English, so English is an international language that is spoken all over the world. अंग्रेजी एक बैनुल अक़वामी जुबान है जो तमाम दुनिया में पढ़ी जाती है. अभी शायद आपके मन में यहाँ पर एक सवाल आया होगा कि आखिर ज़बान क्या चीज़ है? What is a language? So, language is the way to express your thoughts and help you in communication. ज़बान एक रास्ता है जो आपके ख़यालात को ज़ाहिर करने में आपकी मदद करता है और दूसरों के साथ बातचीत करने में आपकी मदद करता है. We can use language by three ways. ज़ुबान को हम तीन तरीकों से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. नंबर फर्स्ट, वर्बली, जब आप किसी से बातचीत करते हो. नंबर सेकेंड, इन रिटन फॉर्म, जब हम कुछ लिख कर दे देते हैं, ये भी एक ज़बान की किस्म में आता है. और नंबर थर्ड, इन साइन फॉर्म, मतलब के सिंबॉलिकली, सिंबल फॉर्म में. और ये वाला सिंबल तो आप लोगों ने देखा ही होगा. Now let's come to talk about its writing. English language is written in Roman script and it is based on 26 alphabets. If you want to study alphabets, letters, etc., wait for my next video. Now here's a question, that what are the importance of English? Why we learn English? So here's a simple answer. English is a widely learned in all over the world as a second language. अंग्रेजी एक ऐसी जुबान है जो तमाम दुनिया में दूसरे जुबान की तरह इस्तेमाल किए जाती है. Is used in media, internet, mobile phones, computers, etc. मतलब कि इंग्लिश हर जगह पर इस्तेमाल होता है. अब आप लोग कहेंगे कि इंग्लिश हर जगह पर इस्तेमाल होता है, तो इससे हमें क्या फायदा? If you are speaking fluently, you are fluent in English, you can get good jobs outside or inside your country too. That's why English is necessary for everyone nowadays. As you all know nowadays that unemployment is too much in Pakistan. So that's why English is extremely necessary. For example, you know Urdu better. You can speak here, you can survive here, but if you go outside, for example, London, Germany, etc. So there, the first thing, you don't know German language. So how will you survive there? If you know English, so you can talk with the people of Germany in English. And you can survive there, you can enjoy there. That's why English is necessary. So guys, this was all about English. Now if you want to learn more things about English, wait for my next video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.